The other day, I saw the Baron. Now, guess what's happening? Man, I think Baron's out there playing the horses again. But what do you know? Oh, yes, we did. We couldn't keep it hid. Yeah, we found out that Baron played the horses. Oh, man, oh, man. He kept it in hand. Yeah, we chased out that Baron played the horses. Well, now we know we found out and let this go. Well, we found out and